All right, good morning, everyone. I'm going to take a second to show you how to copy a page into the collaboration space on your OneNote. So first thing is to make sure you access the Phys B GHS Miller OneNote. And then within the OneNote, this page or this little sidebar over here is where you should see the forces, experimental, etc. Section. Then you should see a collaboration space now, and that's where I'm going to have you copy your summarizing questions into a new space where you can share your ideas with your classmates. And this is a small group of your classmates. It's just like when you have your table group and you can talk about your ideas before you're kind of finalizing them to the whole class. So what you're going to do is within the folder that has your name on it, go to your Forces notebook. And if you haven't yet, make sure you've completed the summarizing questions with your answers here. So complete the summarizing questions with your answers here. Then what I'm first going to have you do is actually label the summarizing questions up here with your name. So maybe put in parentheses that this is Miss Miller or your name there. And then all you need to do to copy it into the collaboration space is you are going to right click on the page, the summarizing questions here, then select copy. Then you're going to go into the collaboration space and you should see a forces group that you've been assigned to. Then here, I don't show this part, but you want to right click where the pages are, right underneath how to use this collaboration space there. And you should right click and then choose paste. And your summarizing questions should be pasted into the collaboration space at that point. When you go to the how to use the collaboration space here, read through these instructions. We've already done step 1. And I want everyone to choose a color that they'll use whenever they're adding to the collaboration space. So I'm going to say for me that I'm going to be the color green. And I'm going to put in this little table my name in that color. That way you'll see who are the other students that you're collaborating with. There's 4 or 5 students from your class within each group. And then what I'm having you do today is you want to read through the questions or the responses from 2 of your collaborators in this space. It might take some time for everyone to get their summarizing questions copied over here, depending on when people are accessing the learning materials. So if there's nothing here, check back maybe towards the end of the day or even early tomorrow is fine. And then in at least 2 other people's summarizing questions pages, what I want you to do is read through their answers and give them some feedback in the comments from collaborators. This can be as simple as I agree because you have the same answer, or ask them what evidence maybe led to their answer here so that if you have different ideas, you can really compare whether it's just an idea that maybe you were held from before, or if there was something in the experiment specifically that led you to a particular response here. And I'd like you to do that for at least 2 other students. And if that doesn't get done before noon today, or sorry, noon tomorrow, that's okay. But please try and do that maybe by the weekend. I know this is a new way to collaborate, but I'm hoping that it works well for everyone. So we'll see how it goes this time. And if we need to do something different for the next series of experiments and then summarizing questions, we will.